So you might be wondering what the repost button does on Instagram. So there's a little new button inside of our Instagram application, whereas now if you kind of click on that little repost button, for me it's not showing on this post, but you'll basically start seeing these little repost buttons and you might be wondering what they do. What that button basically does is it will go through and it's almost like a retweet of that photo. You will basically, if you repost a photo, it will basically get reshared onto your feed and other people will be able to see that you reposted it. So it'll say something like you reposted this, photo, and it will show that photo. Now, it shows up on people's feed, but it will also show up on your own personal feed on your page. So if you go into your profile page here, you should now see a little button that shows up right here in the center that will look something like a little, repost button on your profile page. So it'll show up on your profile page right here. Now you can keep it there if you want to, or if you want to, you can also tap onto that post and you can then unrepost that post when it shows up on this particular page as well. So there's a couple of different ways to repost. You just tap on the repost button and it shows up, but it shows up in a couple different places. It shows up on your profile page and it shows up on your feed page as well. And other people will be able to see that you reposted it. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.